Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Aston Martin of Boston, we have this 2018 Bentley Bentayga Activity. This one has the W12. This thing is sweet. First time ever reviewing a Bentley. What? Oh, that's sick. Honestly, this is probably worth more than most cars. That is sweet. All right. Original window sticker, Moonbeam, Main Hide, Portland. Any options? The Moonbeam is no charge. Bentayga Activity 215. Advanced technology, Bentley Dynamic Ride, front seat comfort, contrast stitching, rear privacy glass, piano black. Whew. 244, 345 as new. 6-liter twin-turbo W12, made it to the 8-speed automatic. It's quite quick. Honestly, it's more torquey than quick, believe it or not. Love the Alcantara. There is that sunshade. Just like an airplane seat. Drive this. Because the plate's mounted there, it's gonna be a bit of a pain. I know. First time driving a Bentayga. Now I've driven the 3 big luxury SUVs. The Cullinan excluded. But the Cullinan really is in a competition of itself. Oh, it's so torquey down low. That's why they did the W12. It's just a hugely torquey motor. That is really impressive. Now, obviously I've reviewed the DBX, I've reviewed the Urus, and I've reviewed the Bentayga. Where do they stand? Urus is dedicated performance vehicle. Bentayga focused on luxury with a good amount of performance in there. With the DBX perfectly mixing the two. Which one's my favorite? DBX. If it was my money, I'd go DBX. But obviously, all 3 vehicles exist because all 3 clients exist. Someone who wants performance, someone who wants luxury, and someone who wants a perfect all-arounder. Honestly, I don't see why the V8 exists. The V8, though, I've heard is tuned more for sports driving, where it has a lot of power up top. That lane keep assist is on. I'm not sure how I can shut it off. That dynamic ride, oh, what a world of a difference it makes. I do believe it is air suspension. I'm going to go ahead into comfort mode. See what that does. And see if there's a need for a Rolls-Royce. Oh, wow. Wow. I'll be honest here. This drives just as well as the Dawn. Honestly, I still firmly believe Rolls-Royces are for people who just have a lot of money. They're status symbols, like Rolexes and stuff like that, where there's many other competitors out there that do it just as well, but that brand status is there. Oh, that ride. Oh, now this is impressive. I was just in the Z06, and this ride in that could not nearly take that speed. Give me sport mode. This W12 is sensational under full throttle accelerations. Here we go. Oh! Oh! Okay. Long live the W12, man. Wow. In fact, you can get this motor in a... Can you get a twin-turbo W12 or is it NA? I don't know. But if you can get that motor in a Continental, man, Bentleys are slept on. Slept? Yeah, I don't know. Wouldn't say it's a sleeper because... Actually, no. Performance-wise, it's a sleeper. This is impressive. In terms of handling, it handles really well, too. There's really just... I don't know what that does. Oh, come on. This is gonna be a... Oh, there we go. I got a gap. Got a gap. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.